Qualitative and quantitative research are two fundamental approaches in the world of research, each with its unique strengths and applications. Let's dive right into it. First, let's define qualitative research. It's all about exploring the why and how of human behavior. Think interviews, focus groups, and open-ended surveys. This method digs deep into people's thoughts, feelings, and motivations. For example, if a company wants to understand why customers prefer one product over another, qualitative research can provide rich insights through detailed conversations. On the flip side, we have quantitative research, which focuses on the what and how many. This method uses numerical data to identify patterns and test theories. Surveys with closed-ended questions, experiments, and statistical analysis are common here. Imagine a researcher wanting to know how many people prefer a specific brand. They might distribute a survey to collect data that can be analyzed statistically to reveal trends. Now, let's talk about the key methods. In qualitative research, techniques like in-depth interviews and participant observation are crucial. These methods allow researchers to gather nuanced information. In contrast, quantitative research relies heavily on tools like surveys and experiments, where data can be quantified and analyzed using statistical methods. Real-life examples help illustrate these concepts. Consider a health organization studying the impact of a new diet. A qualitative approach might involve interviews with participants about their experiences and challenges, while a quantitative approach could involve measuring weight loss across a large group over time, using statistical analysis to determine effectiveness. Both methods have their strengths and limitations. Qualitative research excels in providing depth and context, but it can be subjective and harder to generalize. Quantitative research, on the other hand, offers objectivity and the ability to analyze large data sets, but it might miss the underlying reasons behind the numbers. Now, let's highlight the key differences. Qualitative research is exploratory, subjective, and focuses on depth. Quantitative research is conclusive, objective, and emphasizes breadth. Understanding these differences is crucial for choosing the right approach for your research question. Mixed methods research combines both qualitative and quantitative approaches, offering a more comprehensive view. For instance, a study might start with qualitative interviews to identify key themes and then use quantitative surveys to measure how widespread those themes are across a larger population. This approach can provide a richer understanding of the research topic. To help you decide which method to use, consider this decision flowchart. Start by asking yourself what you want to know. If you're looking for in-depth understanding and context, lean towards qualitative. If you need to measure something or test a hypothesis, quantitative is the way to go. If you want the best of both worlds, consider mixed methods. In summary, both qualitative and quantitative research play vital roles in understanding human behavior and societal trends. By knowing when and how to use each method, you can enhance your research and uncover valuable insights.